Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how I built this awesome low budget 29-inch gravel bike. Some parts were new, some parts were already used, and I built it from this scrap 26-inch bike. Enjoy it! I really hope you enjoyed this video so far. Now we will talk about the costs and the most important parts. Okay, I spent around 450 euros for all new parts, and new parts are the disc brakes, the hybrid brakes, the carbon fork, the grip tape, the complete group set, the seat post clamp, the seat post, the pedals, and the tires, of course, are new. Okay, let us talk now about the most important parts and start with the SENSAH SRX PRO 1-11 group set. I spent around 230 euros for the complete group set. There was everything in it I needed and everything works fine. Of course, it doesn't work so smoothly like, for example, the Shimano Ultegra, but it shifts quickly, it shifts clear. I think for that price it's awesome. I spent 33 euros for the XTECH hybrid brakes. They are definitely not that good as hydraulic ones, but better than most of the mechanical ones. I spent around 9 euros for the complete set of the Toseek carbon fork. It looks awesome, it's super light, but the quality isn't that nice because it was quite a pain to install it. I spent 23 euros for the seat post. It looks awesome, it's light, everything works. I'm really happy with it, and for this price, this is awesome. Okay, let's talk about the complete project. I'm really happy with the results, everything works fine, it's awesome, I like it to ride it, but there's one issue. This pipe here is super high because this is a 26-inch frame and I installed the 29-inch wheels, so the pipe right here is super high, but once you are up on your bike, this isn't an issue anymore. I really hope you enjoyed this complete project. Subscribe, like, let the comments, and if you like project like this, subscribe, and there will be a next project where I will spend only 100 euros on new parts for the complete gravel bike. Don't miss it.